Hi there, I'm sharing just a couple of sentences from a book I'm reading this morning, specifically relevant to those communicating with children that have a PDA profile, but really to anyone that wants to communicate well with others. If you want to keep someone's brain lit up and receptive to your point of view, even if you don't agree, you must not start your response with a statement of disagreement. When you find yourself disagreeing, avoid the emotional temptation at all costs to start your response with "I disagree" or "you're wrong," and instead introduce your rebuttal with what you have in common, what you agree on, and the parts of the argument that you can understand. That's how you connect. That's how you have someone stay open to communication and reasoning. Our words should be bridges to comprehension, not barriers to connection. Disagree less, understand more. Come in helping PDAs especially feel understood, and that helps them feel safe enough to be open.